How to hide your Facebook profile from public. First head to Google Chrome and then go to facebook.com. Then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once that is done, click on your profile on the top right corner. Now from here you'd want to head to Settings and Privacy, then go ahead and click on Settings. You'll be redirected to the Settings and Privacy page, from which you have to go to Privacy from the left side of the tab. Now from Privacy Settings and Tools, you have to scroll down and then you will be able to see how people can find and contact you. From this one, you have to disable this option. That is, do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? So just go ahead and click on Edit and then you have to uncheck this box. Now again, for who can look up using the phone number you provided, go ahead and click on Edit and you have to switch this to Only Me. Once you do this, this will give your Facebook profile the maximum invisibility possible. So that is how you hide your Facebook profile from public. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.